Module 1, Lesson 19, we only have one objective, and your objective is that you'll be able to solve problems through different unit rates given in tables, equations, and graphs. We don't have any new vocabulary words for this lesson, so we're going to go straight to our example. Our example says, Claire and Kate are entering a cup stacking contest. Both girls have the same strategy. Stack the cups at a constant rate so that they do not slow down at the end of the race. While practicing, they keep track of their progress, which is shown below. So we look down here, we have two things that are given to us. We have a graph, which is Claire's, and if you look at all the pieces, down below it says seconds, so I know that that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 seconds. Over here it says numbers of stacked cups. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. That's the number of cups. Kate, on the other hand, we're given an equation. It says Kate is C equals 4T, where T represents the amount of time in seconds, and C represents the number of cups that are being stacked. First question, at what rate does each girl stack her cups during the race? Or during the practice session? So Kate's equation is C equals 4T. I look over here, I can tell how many cups are stacked for Claire in 1 second. So I'm going to go ahead and just do 1 second because we have to be, if we're going to compare rates, we need one of our numbers to be the same. The smaller the number, the easier the math will be. So I see that there's a 1. I'm going to replace my T for time with 1. So when I replace that, that ends up being cups equals 4 times 1, which equals 4, which means Kate is able to stack 4 cups in 1 second. Claire, on the other hand, is able to do 5 cups per second, and that's just me following my graph. 1 to 5 seconds to cups. That's 5 seconds or 5 cups in a second. So my ratios I'm comparing are 5 to 1 and 4 to 1. These are their rates, 5 cups per second, 4 cups per second. Now question B is that Kate notices that she isn't stacking her cups fast enough. What would Kate's equation look like if she wanted to stack cups faster than Claire? Well, Claire is 5 cups per second, and so we need Kate to be more than 5 cups per second. You could pick any number, honestly, to answer this question. This is our given rate. Claire is 5 to 1, Kate is 4 to 1. Cups per second. Well, first number bigger than 5 is 6. So if Kate were to do 6 cups per second on a ratio table, that would be 6 over 1. And remember that number 1, it's asking for an equation up here, in case you forgot. Right here, they want an equation for Kate. This is going back to a lesson about 2 weeks ago, so we're going to review how to write equations when given a ratio. We're saying Kate's new ratio would be 6 to 1, 6 cups in a second, seconds being T. Remember the formula is one side is equal to the value of that side times the other side. So with this case, we're going to have cups, C, it's the first side, is equal to the value, which would be 6 over 1. So that's 6 times the other side is T. So C equals 6T. Or if you chose to use the other side, you would pick T. The value of T is 1/6, and the other side would be C cups. And then that would be your final answer. You wouldn't have to give them a number because all they're asking for is what would be the new equation. And this could be replaced with a 7, 8, 9, 10, all sorts of things. It just depends on the how much faster you would have Kate than Claire.